Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sharp Psych. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into a topic that is essential for anyone in a relationship or planning to be in one. We'll be discussing behaviors that can kill a relationship. Now, we all know that relationships aren't always smooth sailing, and sometimes certain habits or behaviors can lead to the downfall of even the strongest connections. Understanding these relationship killers is crucial because it can help you identify and address any potential issues before they can escalate and cause irreparable damage. So, in this video, we'll discuss common things and behaviors that can potentially harm a relationship. By recognizing these red flags, you'll be better equipped to nurture and maintain a healthy, loving partnership. If you like our content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you get notified of any new videos that can help you. Also, check out the links in the descriptions for my best recommendations. Now, let's dive in and learn how to safeguard our relationships from these destructive behaviors. The first relationship killer we're going to discuss is poor communication. Communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and when it's lacking, misunderstandings and conflicts can quickly arise. A lack of open dialogue can leave both partners feeling unheard and unsupported. It's important to create a safe space where both of you can openly express your thoughts, feelings, and concerns without fear of judgment or criticism. Misunderstandings are another common issue in relationships. To avoid them, make sure to actively listen to your partner and ask clarifying questions if you're unsure about something. Remember, it's better to ask than to assume and potentially create conflict. Lastly, ineffective conflict resolution can be a significant relationship killer. Disagreements are natural, but it's how you handle them that matters. Instead of resorting to yelling or blaming, try to approach conflicts with empathy, understanding, and a willingness to find a compromise. The next relationship killer we'll discuss is trust issues. Trust is a fundamental component of any strong relationship, and without it, the bond between partners can quickly unravel. Jealousy and insecurity can be particularly toxic in a relationship. While it's normal to feel a bit of jealousy from time to time, constant mistrust and suspicion can erode the foundation of your partnership. It's important to address any insecurities you may have and work on building trust together. Dishonesty and deceit are also significant trust breakers. Lying or hiding things from your partner can lead to a loss of trust and feelings of betrayal. Being open and honest, even when it's difficult, is essential for maintaining a healthy, trusting relationship. Emotional unavailability can also lead to trust issues. If you or your partner consistently shut down or avoid discussing emotions, it can create a sense of emotional distance and insecurity in the relationship. Make sure to prioritize emotional intimacy and work on opening up to each other. By addressing trust issues and working together to create a secure and supportive environment, you can build a stronger, more trusting relationship that stands the test of time. By improving your communication skills, you can foster a stronger, more resilient relationship that can withstand challenges and thrive in the long run. Moving on to the next relationship killer, emotional neglect. Emotional support is vital in a relationship, and when one partner feels neglected, it can lead to feelings of loneliness and resentment. Lack of emotional support can manifest in various ways, such as not being there for your partner when they're going through a tough time or dismissing their feelings as unimportant. To avoid this, make sure to actively listen, empathize, and offer your support when your partner needs it most. Another aspect of emotional neglect is disinterest in your partner's feelings. It's essential to show genuine interest in your partner's emotions and experiences, even if you don't always understand or agree with them. This helps create a deeper emotional connection and strengthens your bond. Lastly, ignoring your partner's emotional needs can be detrimental to your relationship. Ensure that you're both aware of each other's emotional needs and work together to meet them. This might involve having regular check-ins or simply asking your partner how they're feeling. The next relationship killer we'll discuss is a lack of appreciation. When partners don't feel valued or acknowledged, it can lead to resentment and dissatisfaction in the relationship. Taking your partner for granted is a common issue in long-term relationships. It's easy to get complacent and forget to express gratitude for the things your partner does. To avoid this, make a conscious effort to show appreciation for both the big and small things your partner does for you and your relationship. Neglecting to express gratitude can also harm your relationship. It's important to regularly say thank you and let your partner know that you appreciate their efforts. This can help reinforce your bond and make your partner feel valued and loved. Inadequate acknowledgement of your partner's efforts can be another issue that undermines your relationship. Make sure to celebrate your partner's accomplishments and show your support during both good and challenging times. The next relationship killer on our list is infidelity. Cheating can cause significant damage to a relationship, leading to the erosion of trust, emotional pain, and most of the time, its eventual end. Physical cheating is often the first thing that comes to mind when discussing infidelity. However, it's important to remember that emotional affairs can be just as damaging. Emotional affairs occur when one partner forms a deep emotional connection with someone outside the relationship, often at the expense of their primary partnership. In today's digital age, online infidelity has also become increasingly common. This can include engaging in explicit conversations, exchanging intimate photos, or forming emotional connections via social media or dating apps. It's crucial to establish and respect boundaries within your relationship to avoid such situations. The best way to prevent infidelity is to nurture your relationship by maintaining open communication, addressing any unresolved issues, and continually working to strengthen your emotional connection. If you find yourself tempted to stray, it's important to reflect on the reasons behind this and discuss them with your partner. The next relationship killer we'll explore is having incompatible life goals. While it's natural for partners to have some differences, significant disagreements about major life decisions can put a strain on your relationship and create ongoing tension. Disagreements about major life decisions might include differences in career aspirations, family planning, or financial priorities. It's essential to discuss these topics early in your relationship to identify potential areas of conflict and work on finding common ground. Different values and priorities can also contribute to incompatibility. If your core values are misaligned, it may become increasingly difficult to navigate your relationship. Honest communication and understanding can help you determine whether your differences are reconcilable or not. Lastly, lack of support for each other's aspirations can be damaging to your relationship. Partners should encourage and support each other's dreams and goals, even if they don't always share the same interests or aspirations. A strong relationship is built on mutual respect and support. By acknowledging and addressing any incompatibilities in life goals, values, and priorities, you can work together to create a harmonious, unfulfilled partnership that allows both partners to grow and achieve their dreams. Before we get to the most common relationship problem, make sure to check out the links in the description below for my best recommendation when it comes to mental health and psychology. Now, the most common relationship harm we'll discuss is unresolved baggage from past relationships. Emotional wounds and negative patterns from previous partnerships can significantly impact your current relationship if left unaddressed. Unaddressed emotional wounds can manifest as trust issues, insecurities, or destructive behaviors. It's crucial to recognize and confront any unresolved emotions from your past to avoid carrying this baggage into your present relationship. Negative patterns from past relationships can also be repeated in your current one if not addressed. This might include unhealthy communication habits or unresolved attachment issues. By recognizing these patterns and actively working to break the cycle, you can create a healthier and more fulfilling partnership. Comparisons to past partners can also be damaging to your relationship. Constantly comparing your current partner to an ex can breed feelings of inadequacy and resentment. It's important to appreciate and value your partner for who they are and let go of any lingering attachments to past relationships. By addressing unresolved baggage from past relationships and focusing on building a healthy, present connection, you can create a strong foundation for a lasting and fulfilling partnership. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.